Hi, I'm Nelson, and I'm going to talk to you about ladderless light fixtures. You got a fixture that's in the ceiling, it's not working. What do? You grab a ladder, you set it down, you climb up, you take off the lens, you replace the light bulb, and hopefully that works. But it's the ballast, so you got to put away everything, and you got to go and buy a ballast and turn off the light circuit and replace the ballast. We've got a better way to do it. You have a fixture that's not working, you take this tool that mounts onto any standard paint stick. You insert it in the side of the fixture. What you just did is you unlocked that fixture from the ceiling. It's locked, now it's unlocked. Now all you have to do is pry it and take down the whole fixture. Everything that could be wrong is right here. Your lens, your ballast, your light bulbs, everything. So the easy solution is you have a fixture that does work. You take this one off, you put on the one that works, and you raise it back up. It's connected. Now you pull out the tool, it's locked in place. Now you can take the old one back to the shop and fix it later. You're not on a ladder trying to figure out what's wrong with it. What you've done is you've turned it into a modular repair. I'm going to take the light fixture off that's not working, I'm going to put one up that is working, and take the old one back and fix it later. You're not in the middle of everything trying to figure out what's wrong. When we talk about the fixture being locked in place, that's exactly what we mean. The fixture is held in place by magnets, but it's also held in place by these two locking clips. When you insert the tool, you release the locking clips. So when you put it up, the magnets grab a hold. When you pull out the tool, the clips grab onto the base. And if you look at the base has a ridge that the clips lock onto. So it is held, in fact, in place by a set of magnets plus a set of locking clips. This is a ladderless light fixture. It does things that no other fixture on the market can do. When it's in the ceiling, you've got no exposed hardware, no little screws to loosen to take off the lens. This lens doesn't twist off, it doesn't pull off. You have to use the removal tool and take down the whole fixture. And what you have on the back are 3 screws. You loosen the screws, the lens comes off. This means that when the fixture's in the ceiling, no one's taking any light bulbs, no one's playing with anything inside the fixture. It's a tamper-resistant fixture. Now let's say someone beats up this fixture. You're not talking about an electrician coming out and replacing the fixture. You're talking about your on-site maintenance person taking down the fixture without shutting off the circuit, taking a different fixture that works and putting it back up in its place. It turns it from an electrical call to a janitorial call. Now let's say someone pulls the fixture down, rips it out of the ceiling. When that happens with a standard fixture, what you have is you have exposed wires that get pulled through. It's a shock hazard. It's a dangerous situation. The electricians are going to get an emergency call that says, come quick, someone took a fixture out of the ceiling and we've got live wires. With the Accessmount fixture, this remains behind, protecting the wiring. No exposed contacts. It's a safe situation. So it turns it from an emergency electrical call to a janitorial call. Oh, someone took a fixture, we better pop up a new one. Completely changes the situation. This concept works with many different types of fixtures. For example, you've got a wall-mounted fixture. Our tool pivots. Loosen, pivot the angle up, and suddenly it will work on a wall, a high wall. All you do is much the same. You insert it into the fixture, pry it, and suddenly you've taken down everything that's wrong. Change the bulbs, put up one that works however you want to do it. You've solved the problem without getting on a ladder. It also works with decorative fixtures. This happens to be one of our new models, and it's the same concept. You take the tool, you insert it into the fixture, you pry it, and you've taken down the entire fixture, everything that's wrong. Now the neat thing about this fixture is it's held, the lens is held in place from the back. All you do is throw these 3 latches and the lens drops out. There's your bulbs to replace it. Put the lens back in, lock these 3, and you're back. Raise it back up, and you've solved the problem. No trying to unscrew the lamp, no getting on a ladder. Take it down, drop the lens, replace the bulbs, replace the lens, pop it back up. You're not doing it on a ladder, you're doing it safely on the ground. Or you have a fixture that works. Take it down, put put up the fixture that works and take the old one back and worry about it later. So people asked us about recessed fixtures. What can you do for those? So we came out with a specification grade recessed fixture. If this isn't working, you take a slightly different removal tool, insert it into the fixture, pry it off to the side, and what comes down is everything that could go wrong with a fixture. You have your ballast, you have your lamp, everything's right here. So like before, you have an extra one of these. Oh, the fixture's not working. I'm going to pull down the one that's not working. I'm going to take this module that is working, put it on the tool, raise it up. When the light goes on, you know it's aligned correctly. You pull out the tool and you take the old one back to the shop for repairs later. Again, not in the way, not in public. You're taking the fixture, removing it from the situation without using a ladder, taking it back to the shop and fixing it later. We also make it in a 2-lamp version. Same concept. You insert the tool, pry it, and what comes down is your ballast and your lamp and everything, just in a larger 2-lamp version. Same concept. You take one that works, you raise it up. When the light goes on, it's aligned, you pull out the tool, and you're done. So as you can see, the Accessmount ladderless lighting system will save you time, will save you money, and allow you to do your job more effectively. I invite you to contact us so we can send someone out and show you all of these fixtures in person, do an in-person demonstration. Thank you very much for watching.